Hi and welcome back to Spot on Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to recharge AC system by yourself in 2016 Nissan Rogue. This is gonna apply to Nissan Rogues made from 2014 and all the way up to 2021. But it is gonna be very similar to older Nissan Rogues as well. So first I'm gonna open the hood and I'm just gonna pull this hood lever. And before you start recharging your AC system, you want to make sure that you get the proper AC refrigerant for your vehicle. So for this Nissan Rogue, if you check the hood, under the hood, and you need to find this sticker where it says air conditioner, and right there you will see what AC refrigerant is specified for this vehicle. So in this case, R134A air conditioning. If your AC system is completely empty and it's actually just blowing warm or hot only, not even a little bit of cool air, it's ideally that you get yourself 2 cans of a Freon. Besides AC refrigerant cans, you will also need a hose with a gauge. So I have this AC hose with a gauge. Gauge is very important so you can actually see how much AC refrigerant you have in your system, and then when you're adding from this can you can see how this black needle will rise, and that will tell you that you're filling up your AC system. My AC hose gauge shows 0, and then how it should be when your AC hose is not connected. If you are recharging your AC just like me, you are only gonna be using a low pressure AC port, which on this vehicle is located on the passenger side of the vehicle. So if you check just next to the coolant reservoir, you can see 2 ports right there. So first one closest to me, it's high pressure port. You can see the letter H, and the next one that we are actually gonna be using, it is this one, low pressure port, and you can recognize by the letter L. So you wanna remove this cap by turning it counterclockwise and put it on the safe spot. And now I'm gonna connect my AC refrigerant can to this side of the AC hose. You want to make sure that needle is fully inside. You want to make sure it's tight. And next step is to connect your other end of your AC hose to the low pressure port. So this is quick connect, so you just want to push it in. Make sure it's securely fitted. And now when all this setup is done in the engine bay, it's time to start your vehicle. So I'm gonna start it up. Now while you're inside the vehicle, you wanna make sure that you turn on your AC and then press this recirculation button and set up temperature to the lowest setting, so to the coldest setting, or also you can press max AC. And now make sure you turn your fan all the way to the right to the max speed. AC on, recirculation, max speed, lowest temperature. And you want to make sure that all your fans are open. And now the setup inside the vehicle is done. And now if I check my gauge, I'm gonna see the current AC refrigerant in my system. So as you can see, I have about 35 psi, and ideally is that I get close to the 50. So I want to be in that blue field, and again you don't want to overfill it, so you don't want to pass into the yellow or red field. So like you see, my AC system is not completely empty, but it definitely needs some more of AC refrigerant. And now to actually add refrigerant in your AC system, you will have to puncture this AC can. So you wanna turn this clockwise all the way in. And now when your can is punctured, you want to slowly turn it counterclockwise to release AC refrigerant into the system. Before that, you want to shake the can a little bit. And now slowly turn it counterclockwise. And at the same time, you want to pay attention to your gauge, see how the needle is going up, and just again, you want to make sure you don't overfill it. Make sure you turn this all the way. I emptied the one whole can of AC refrigerant and I'm just about to get hit 50 psi. So as you've seen, my AC system was not completely empty, therefore I only needed one AC refrigerant can. And I'm not gonna put the second one in, so I'm gonna stop right at that, and I'm gonna actually also check the AC inside the vehicle if it's blowing any colder. I'm trying my AC fans here, and my AC is actually blowing very cold. I would say about 30 to 40% colder than before. If your AC system is completely empty and after you refilled it with 1 or 2 AC cans and you are not getting cold air still, then it's time to visit a mechanical shop so they can give you proper diagnosis, because maybe you have some kind of a leak in your AC system, or maybe your AC compressor is not engaging, or any other issue within AC system. But like I said, for my vehicle, I had a cool air, I wanted a little bit colder. Like I said, my AC system was not completely empty. I added 1 whole can of AC refrigerant, and now I have very cold air blowing from my vents. And don't forget to put your little cap on and close it up. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.